Hello guys, I'll just show you how to change this engine mount. It's pretty easy, you need like 30-40 minutes. It's original Volvo, it's I think 85 euros on Vikings parts or something like that. It's V70 D5 engine with manual gearbox. So you need few tools, basic tools, and maybe under 1 hour you will be done. So first you need to put this reservoir on the side, just one screw here, it's 10 millimeter, and just put it, you can lift it, it's holding here. You can prime with something or just remove it with hand. Just put it on side and I secured something. It's just holding like that, not on the way. You have bracket for engine mount, but first you need to remove this. It's called engine mount torque rod or something like that. It's holding here. It's only 2 screws. It's holding there and here on the bracket himself. You have 2 screws. Don't mix it. It's one longer and one it's shorter. Second, you need to, after you remove that, you will remove this. It's holding like this there on the place. Let me show you just a second. So it's holding like this. I will not put it now in hole, just will show you like this. So you can imagine it's holding like this, doesn't matter. So this is 30 millimeter socket. You need to remove it. Then first, you need to do this to secure engine and to lift it a little bit. You can do it on a oil pan. Just be careful, please. Focus, yes. And something like that, just to, in case if something happens. And you need to lift it a little bit. And you will see how much is enough, because when you lose this and this screw, when you lose them, you will see if engine is falling down. Then you can lift. Then lose a little bit more. Then if it's engine still going down, lift a little bit more, and in one point engine will stay in the place and you can remove that bracket. And now it's pretty easy, so you remove this bracket. Sorry guys, I don't have any help that somebody record me while I'm working, because that I'm doing like this. So you have one screw, 30 millimeters. Then you have 15 millimeter, and there is also 15 millimeter, those 2 long screw. After you remove that, you need to remove this screw also. It's going, just a second, I need light. It's going here, directly in engine mount. After I remove it, I saw immediately that I have problem. It's leaking oil, the old engine mount. After I saw it again, and you can see this should be like 15-20 millimeters up. It's leaking oil everywhere, and I will show you now how it should be like this. It's almost 2 centimeters different, so I should feel less vibration now in car, because now last week I changed that engine mount under. Now on this side I don't feel almost any vibration, but on this side I feel still vibration, so this is the problem. And yeah, Torque specification I will put in video, but 48 Newton meter, and all are 80 Newton meters. So bracket, the engine mount itself, everything is 80. Just that is 30 millimeters. It is 48. So please secure. Don't lift it on one point. Put something flat like I did, and you cannot damage oil pan. So guys, if you have any question, please let me know. I'm sorry, really, once more. There is nobody to record me now. I would do it step by step by recording, but I hope so that somebody will find some help with that. Thanks. Guys, one more tip. You can remove this cable. It's just press this inside with some screwdriver. Just press it and pull it. It will be much easier to mount this bracket. So of course, because this part was completely low, just a second, it was lowered completely. When you put now this bracket, you need to lift a little bit engine from down. You need to lift it for this different, how much is now and by new, so it's like 2 centimeters. Just lift it a little bit and then you can be able to put the bracket on the place, because engine was 2 centimeters low, as should be. Just a quick tip.